Hey guys, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys. I just bought this bag and oh my god, it is amazing. So I got a Goyard. I've wanted this bag for so long and this is finally, I just pulled the trigger and bought it. So, let me show you. I got the St. Louis in the GM size. And pretty much St. Louis is just a tote bag. I got the black one with the brown trim, which is like a tan brown color. And the trim is leather, and this part is a Goyard canvas. Let me show you the inside of the bag. It's just a big tote, so it's just one big hole. There's no pockets or anything like that, but it does have a little wallet pouch that is detachable. It has this little strap here, but you can remove the strap and carry it as a wallet or a little clutch. It does fit an iPhone in here. I tried it out when I was in the store. It has a little back pocket, and then also it has a little pocket in here. And let me see if I can find the price for you. The price is $14.95 for the GM size. This bag also comes in a PM size, which is the smaller one. And let me show you the measurements if you're wondering how big this bag is. So this is 22 inches wide, or also 56 centimeters wide. It is about 12 inches tall, 31 centimeters tall, and let me show you the depth of it. The depth is 7 inches deep and 17 centimeters deep. So that's it. I hope you love my bag as much as I do.